Hello everybody, welcome to the Demystifying Meditation video series. In this video series, I'm going to uncover for you all of the main misconceptions and challenges of meditation. So if you're searching for natural, scientifically proven ways to improve your health and your well-being so you can live a longer, happier, healthier life, then this training is for you. My name is Tony Myers and my passion is teaching meditation and modern self-empowerment techniques. The reason I created this video series is because I found that so many of my students were struggling with their meditation practice. They used to think that meditation was not for them or that it was too difficult to practice. I'm here to tell you that this is simply not true, and it's not your fault if you're challenged trying to learn meditation. In this video, I'm going to uncover for you the following myths. Myth number 1. Meditation is difficult to practice. Myth number 2, in order to have a successful meditation practice, you have to automatically quiet and empty your mind. Myth number 3, it takes years of dedicated meditation practice to experience the benefits of meditation. And myth number 4, meditation is a spiritual or religious practice. It's very important that you overcome these misconceptions, because they will help you to realize that once you have the right meditation techniques, meditation will actually be an enjoyable experience and very easy to practice. It will help you to cultivate new ways to develop a more and more intimate understanding of your mind's thinking patterns so you can develop a calmer, peaceful, and tranquil mind. Understanding how to overcome these misconceptions will also help you to experience the benefits of meditation, even if you're new to the practice. Now, as meditation has gained popularity over the last century with the rapid spread of the information age, more and more people are confused and challenged when learning meditation, now more than ever. Most people don't really understand what meditation is, and they get overwhelmed trying to practice. Unfortunately, they never get the results they are seeking. Many people give up way too soon without even giving it a real shot, and they miss out on all the life-changing benefits of meditation. So when it comes to learning meditation, it's really important that you learn how to overcome the following myths. Myth number 1, meditation is difficult. One of the most common misconceptions and reasons why many people either avoid or give up on meditation is they think that it is a complicated process and it is not for them. Now, in reality, meditation is just like any other skill we learn in life, right? It requires time, patience, and guidance from an experienced teacher will help you to accelerate your results. Also, learning from an experienced teacher will help you to understand what you're experiencing and help you to move past common roadblocks and obstacles that might arise during your meditation practice. So if you think meditation is difficult, then I personally believe that you simply have not been given the right techniques. Once you do have the right techniques, your meditation practice will transform to higher levels and you'll learn how to really love meditation. That leads us to the next myth. In order to have a successful meditation practice, you have to automatically empty your mind. Now, many people struggle with this belief that you need to automatically quiet your mind and instantly stop with your thoughts in order to achieve a successful meditation practice. And I can totally understand why, because this concept is nonsense. As you can imagine, this causes many people to struggle with their thoughts and emotions. Now, before we go any further, I have a quick question for you. If your mind was always calm, peaceful, and constantly producing positive thoughts, if it was always discovering ways to flow through life and to easily achieve all of your hopes and dreams, would you ever want to stop your mind from thinking? In reality, letting your thoughts arise and unfold without trying to suppress them is an essential process of meditation. Your thoughts are simply arising in your meditation practice from your subconscious mind to be understood, resolved, and transformed. Your subconscious mind is simply giving you insight into what you need to work on. The more you learn to witness your mind objectively and understand the content of your mind, the more your mind will purify and become very clear, calm, and tranquil. Once you do this, the mind becomes very powerful and automatically starts to come up with solutions to each and every answer that you need to transform your life. Now, I'll go deeper into this topic in my book that's called The Art and Science of Meditation. For now, let's discuss myth number 3. It takes years of dedicated meditation practice to experience the benefits of meditation. Now, many people believe that you have to meditate for years to experience any benefits. Now, it is true that years of a dedicated meditation practice will have wonderful benefits for your body and mind. However, the benefits of meditation can be noticed immediately as well. There are many scientific studies providing evidence that meditation can have profound effects just within a few weeks of regular practice. For example, a landmark study led by Harvard University's General Hospital found that as little as 8 weeks of meditation practice not only helped people experience decreased anxiety, but also produce growth in areas of their brain associated with memory, empathy, a sense of self, and stress regulations. Experts who studied meditation have also found that people tend to sleep more soundly in the first time for years, even after just practicing a few days of meditation. On top of that, other common and immediate benefits of meditation can include improved concentration, decreased blood pressure, enhanced immunity. Now, it is true that seasoned meditators can experience more benefits, but as you can see, meditation can deliver immediate results as well. So myth number 4 is that meditation is a spiritual or religious practice. Now, this is simply not true. Meditation does not require you to follow a specific set of spiritual beliefs. In fact, some meditators have no particular religious beliefs at all. Meditative practices can be used strictly for its health benefits and also as a strategy for self-development and self-empowerment. Now, the other side of the equation is that many people of different religious backgrounds that do adopt a meditation practice, they don't have to deal with any moral conflicts. For those that do follow a particular religious belief, meditation can even help them develop an even closer and deeper experiences with whatever their particular belief is, enhancing the wonderful benefits of meditation even more. So there you have it, the 4 myths of meditation demystified. Now, I'll be shining some light in more in upcoming videos, so make sure you look out for those. They will help you to develop more and more insight into meditation so you can start to really enjoy your meditation practice and attain the benefits that you really need and deserve. Thanks for watching this video. Feel free to share and like it. And by the way, I have a brand new book out called The Art and Science of Mastering Meditation. What we have covered in this video is just the tip of the iceberg. In my new book, I cover a powerful synthesis of many meditation techniques that are designed for the modern world that we live in today. There should be a link somewhere below this page somewhere for you to discover more about it. The best thing about the book is that on top of all the great information on learning meditation in the book, it also comes with a 5-day meditation masterclass video series that will help you to accelerate your meditation practice.